So, McDonald's life hack, almost too good to share. And before you think it's about the coffee, it's not. If you've noticed, a couple years ago, McDonald's deviated their automated teller into two. And inevitably, whichever line you pick is the one that doesn't move, and new people are coming up getting Big Macs. 10 cars waiting, if you think about it, it takes like 4 minutes per order, 4 to 6 minutes per order. 10 cars, that's at least 45 minutes wait for what, McGriddles and an iced coffee? I'm not doing that. If you don't want to wait in line at McDonald's because there's 8 cars in line, don't. And you ask, how do I go about doing that? Well, what do you have to do to get McDonald's food? You have to wait in line until now. If you don't want to wait in line, what do you have to do to get food? You need to pay and pick up your food. Those are the only two things you need to do. I passed all 10 cars and drove directly up to the first window. I said the machine, I don't want to lie, so I was just like, the machine thing didn't take my order, which it didn't. She opened the window and she was like, 9 hash browns and McGriddle. I was like, no, who gets 9 hash browns? That's the worst item on your entire menu. I was like, the machine didn't take my order. She took my payment. I went to the next window. They're so busy at that time, the McGriddles are already made. So I waited at the second window for about 20 seconds to get my food. The whole thing, a 10-car pileup, took me about 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes to get my food. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing these glasses, because these glasses make me look like the type of shady person that would do that. McDonald's doesn't care. As long as you pay for McDonald's, they don't care what you do. Don't vandalize their property, don't give them COVID, and pay for your food. That's all they care about. Bonus McDonald's life hack. If you want a Big Mac but you don't want to spend like $5.50, just get a double cheeseburger with Big Mac sauce on it. And it's like $2.40 or something. Big Mac's like $5 something. So you save $3. You don't even need balls to do it. You think you need balls because you feel like you're cutting the line. Nobody calls you out on it. They think you work at McDonald's. If you drive, what kind of psychopath would just pass the teller and drive up to the first window? They don't think you're getting anything. These people are ingrained to think the only way to get food is to talk to this machine. No, it's not. Just go up to the first window.